Happy greetings to all. We are the students of Acharya Wow Schooling in Tavalakuppam. Now we are going to solve cube to make a rocket model.
World-class education.
I love my father 100%. I love my mother 100%. I love my family 100%. I love my school 101%. My future starts here, 100%. So I love my school 101%.
One life, one school. Acharya, world-class education.
This is my signature, this is my life teacher, this is my bright future. This is my ambition, this is my expression, this is my innovation. This is my identity, this is my integrity, this is my prosperity. This is my ability, this is my authenticity, this is my individuality.
Acharya, வெற்றி அதை அடைவோமே.
We are the students of Acharya. I can do, you can do. We are the students of Acharya. We are the students of Acharya.
Acharya, world-class education.